what's up, buddy? So, Mr. Master, like always, I'm back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So, as the title itself suggests, that whenever you may already know that whenever you if you are a hardcore gamer or whatever, then whenever you try to play a game or something like that, and your YouTube music is playing in the background, and automatically you may have seen that this error comes again and again, and so I click yes and do the same thing again, and this really sucks, guys. To solve this issue, guys, no need to worry, just go ahead and just install this YouTube non-stop extension. This is available for the Chrome as well as Mozilla, so no need to worry about. So just go ahead and install this in your Chrome browser, guys, and that's it. Once you're done with that, guys, now what you need to do is whenever this pop-up comes, it will automatically do its work and it will bypass that, so you really don't need to do anything. And there you go. So that's it for today's small video, guys. I hope this small video is really helpful, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is your host, Mr. Master. See you in my next video. Signing out.